Mumbai Marines stormed into the final of the Big Cricket League. Now we are searching for the second finalist. Two more superstars in action now. It's Shikhar Dhawan versus Suresh Raina. Northern Challengers against the Southern Superstars. The second semi-final.
Suresh, give it a flip.
Tails.
Tails of the call. It's a head. Suresh Raina winning the toss. क्या plan, Suresh?
मुझे लगता है बैटिंग करना चाहिए बाद में. So I think
New twist.
We are bowling first.
A look at the lineups here. Challengers, like I said, their batting is packing a punch with Shenwari, Shikhar Dhawan, Taranga, Gurkeerat Maan, Vipul Sharma, Vishal Prasad. They bat deep. What about the Spartans though? They've been aggressive off the top. Solomon Mire, Fazal, Raina. Shrestha has been in good form. Samiullah Shenwari, 191 runs, 205 the strike rate, 111 his best. And this man needs no introduction. Shikhar Dhawan, 300 plus runs. He's been the batting star for the Challengers.
तभी चैलेंज होगा अभिमन्यु मिथुन के लिए जिनका एवरेज 11.5 का है, इकोनॉमी 5.5 की है.
Chipped in the air, first ball, but lands safely. Chipped in the air, straight to the field at point. First wicket. Shikhar Dhawan is gone.
वो पहली गेंद पर भी जल्दी खेल लिए थे, यहाँ भी सीधे फील्डर के हाथों. ज्यादा हिलना भी नहीं पड़ा अभिषेक सखुजा को. और अभिमन्यु मिथुन क्या शुरुआत दिलाई है सदर्न स्पार्टन्स के लिए. कप्तान स्टार प्लेयर शिखर धवन बिना खाता खोले पेविलियन में वापस.
Smack. But is there enough power on it? Yes, there is. This time gives charge. Smacks it out of the park.
2 कदम आगे और गेंद बहुत दूर भेजती.
There you go. Takes on the fielder. Should be a boundary to end the over. That shot and flicked away.
और ये सीधे बॉक्स की तरफ आ रही है. खड़े खड़े मारना होगा. शेनवारी से no problem.
Within the stumps, that straight line, not troubling Shenwari at that pace. Skyer, fielder after it, but no point. It sails over.
समीउल्लाह शेनवारी का बल्ला घूमा. ऊंचाई थी क्या दूरी थी वो पहला सवाल था, पर जितनी ऊंचाई थी किसी फील्डर को भी मुश्किल हो जाता.
और यहाँ पर बाउंड्री मिलेगी उपल थरंगा को.
Punished once again off the back foot. Back-to-back boundaries for Upal Tharanga.
तो निश्चित तौर पर इसी तरीके के शॉट पड़ेंगे.
Shot and punished.
But they want it back and this time he'll get a 6 for it. Took it up and that's 15 for Shenwari. And when of course the team looked in trouble, he's really stepped up. Shenwari with a 50. शेनवारी के नाम के इस बार ऑफ साइड पर है. गेंद दूर चली जाएगी. इसी के साथ 100 रन पूरे 15 रन आए इस ओवर में. और ये सीधे फील्डर के हाथों में गेंद खेल ली है. उपुल थरंगा ने इनसाइड आउट कवच के ऊपर से मारने का प्रयास सही था. Where is the ball going to go? The answer is for a boundary. सवाल पैदा किए जा रहे हैं. ऑफ साइड पे है और that's another cracking shot for a 6. हर शॉट जो लगाते हैं उसमें खूबसूरती झलकती है. से कनेक्ट किया था इस बार सीधे. पहले 6 अब 4. Doesn't matter, will not matter because it's gone high up in the sky and will go for a 6.
Shenwari and Karya can add, just like Gurkeerat Maan has added. Skyer, smash, flyer, 6 again. Skyer once again, bowler after it. And that goes away from him. good from Santosh, but he misses.
मान साहब का कलेजा एक बार तो गले के आसपास आ गया था। संतोष के हाथ में एक मौका, दूसरा मौका भी नहीं मिला।
Skyer once again. Shresh underneath it. Keeper's gloves, pouching it.
लेकिन दुख इस बात का भारी कि सेंचुरी नहीं हो पाई। 95 पे वापस जाएंगे। 194 पर 3 चैलेंजर्स।
Crowd cheering. What a reception! What a reception! Maybe spoke too soon. Smashes it over mid-wicket for a 6. Starts off with a slower, short of leg delivery. It's up in the air. Field underneath it. Easy catch. Slow one again. And this will go through the gap. Fielders in the deep, not able to cut it off. This time picked and smashed straight into the fielder's hands. Oh, he's let it slip. Did he miss the catch? High, Skyer. Bowler and keeper underneath it. They have collided. And a chance goes begging. They have run one. And they will stay on one. That's the batting card then for the Northern Challengers. Shikhar Dhawan didn't do much today, but look at that. Samiullah Shedwari, 95 of 49. Upul Taranga, 46 of 34. He did his part in that opening stand. And thereafter, Gurkeerat Maan. What a brilliant partnership that was. And of course, that's the bowling card for the Spartans. 2 for 17 for Abhimanyu Mithun. Rankul timer, bags of experience. Santosh was expensive but bowled well towards the end. 1 for 34 for Milan as well.
219 का लक्ष्य है सदर्न स्पार्टन्स के लिए अगर फाइनल जाना है तो।
Time for confirmations on the impact sub then. First one of course is Phil Mustard. Santosh Yadav goes off. Informed Phil Mustard. He's been smacking the ball hard and he will be crucial in this 200 plus chase. Phil Mustard in for the Spartans. And we are ready for the first ball then. It's Anureet Singh, first up for the Challengers. Off the mark, a quick single. Throw, a bit wayward. Got away through the gap. Boundary for Mire, first one.
ये लीजिए, क्या कड़ाकेदार आवाज थी।
Angle away, Mustard has just helped it along. There's a fielder in the deep. Not anymore. Sailing and sailing once again. He's taken advantage of that delivery. Back of length, through the gap. What a shot once again from Mustard. Just like that. The previous one shot. This time shot and end result is the same. You can't bowl full. Phil Mustard, beautiful. Will run for a boundary. Phil Mustard comes down the track and that's gone flat off to a boundary. Phil Mustard, he's gone high. Has he got enough? No, the answer. And that's a good catch in the track. And Bipul will get the breakthrough.
वो बैट के बिल्कुल निचले भाग में वो गेंद लगा, अच्छी तरीके से गेंद को जज किया अनुरीत ने। बड़ी सफलता, ये साझेदारी तोड़नी थी और वो करके दिखाया।
Speak of variations, doesn't matter for Solomon Mire. Oh, this time lifts that over.
बहुत समय मिल गया सोलोमन मीरे को, लेकिन अच्छा कैच वहां पे बॉल बॉय का।
Oh, this is probably gone to the airport. Wow! And the answer is yes. He'll make it to the maximum. Solomon Mire. Solomon Mire will be in good spirits, but not for the opponents. Wow! Who has the answer? And the onslaught continues. Solomon Mire has set the Lalbhai Contracting Stadium on fire.
ऊंची गई, दूरी नहीं। अनुरीत नीचे और गुरुजी अनुरीत
Oh, come on. Well, perhaps could be the lights also. We don't know, but certainly under pressure. Shenwari is wondering what next. And you continue hitting, but there's a chance. Catch it is the call. Vishal is the fielder. He'll be a spectator.
क्या बल्लेबाजी हो रही है।
This is absolutely crazy batting. Goes for it again, and that's going over. Over, long gone.
इस बार भाग्यशाली रहे और भाग्य भी उनका साथ दे रहा है।
Oh yes, full toss, just opens the face of the bat, also poses for the cameras.
और इस बार गेंद को लेकिन एक रन थोड़ा इंतजार। जी हाँ,
Yeah, there we go, the second wicket partnership, 38 balls, 101.
शिनवारी ने और इस बार तो इस तरीके से सोलोमन मीरे ने अपना शतक पूरा किया है। काबिले तारीफ, धुआंधार, धमाकेदार क्या बल्लेबाजी की है और फास्टेस्ट 100 है इस टूर्नामेंट का।
And he's not it done, he'll continue striking them long.
फुल टॉस, एक बार फिर उछाला है, क्या वहां पर खिलाड़ी मौजूद हैं? जी हाँ,
No worries for the field at long on. Shenwari knows what a knock it has been. And the entire crowd at the Lal Bhai Contractor Cricket Stadium is up and applauding the knock of Solomon Mire. Salutes Mire. 38 balls, 110. Full toss, catch it is the call, straight to the fielder.
सेट बल्लेबाज आउट हो चुके हैं। क्या कोई एक मिनी ट्विस्ट अभी भी संभव है? रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट अभी भी 5.5 है। सुरेश रैना वापस जाएंगे 25 पर।
Takes it on the full, and is that past the rope? It was hanging in the air for a very long time. We will definitely be taking a second look at that.
कोशिश के लिए बिल्कुल विशाल को पूरे अंक दे दिए जाएं।
And there you go. It's 6. Sky flying and flying. 6 more. They don't stop coming. Cut away, and it's run away for 4. Like that, just like that. Oh wow!
क्या बल्लेबाजी है यार ये।
Bit of width, and this should be pouched. He's done the job though. 19 of 10. Gurkirat into the attack. Now they want to do it with singles. Chaitanya, now they want to do it with singles. Smacked away for the winning run. Goes away for 4. Southern Spartans have entered the final. They won by 6 wickets into the final of Big Cricket League, where the Mumbai Marines will be waiting for them on Sunday evening. And this is the man, Solomon Mire, the quickest 100 of the tournament. What a time to deliver the goods. And that's how semi-final 2 has ended. Challengers putting on 218 for 4, and then Spartans replying with 222 for 4 in only 16.2 overs. But look at that, Solomon Mire, 110 of 38 balls. That headlined the response.